Is your external component the .NET Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Dnlib Project links. Before we dive into the .NET Library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the .NET Library, a high-performance library for reading and writing .NET assemblies and modules. It is a staple in the modding and decompiler community, e.g., used by dnSpy. If missing, Decompiler or patching tools will fail to load target assemblies, citing metadata resolution failed. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft Redistributable. Errors related to .NET Library DLL often mean the internal Dnlib project configuration inside your host program is broken, so you need to reinstall that specific software from the official developer source to replace the library. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including .NET Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of .NET Library DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to .NET Library. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for .NET Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.